So, Hmm. so to download Scratch on your PC, we have two methods. So the first method is to go to the Microsoft Store on your PC and Microsoft Store. Okay. Yeah. So it's loading actually. Yeah. Yeah. In the search bar. Yeah. Yeah. Loaded Scratch on my PC. Then they have written installed at the top. So for you guys who haven't installed Scratch on your PC, there will be an install tab for you to click on. Yeah. And you're supposed to download the Scratch 3. Yeah. And for the alternate method, you go to your Google or any search engine. Then you type Scratch download and click on the first the first one. It will take you to a website. Click on free download for Windows. So yeah, free. It will take you to another website and and currently yeah and click on free download for PC. Yeah, downloading it. Yeah. So now you can see the download has started and are supposed to wait. Yeah. Loading. We are supposed to launch Scratch on our PC. Yeah. So you click on the download tab, then you click on open. Click on open. So you click on yes. And yeah. Yes, so now you click on your PC. Yeah. But first you have to select a language. So English. Yes, we click on next. Then You accept everything. Yeah. So it's done. So it's setting up to verify the installer. Then we install it. Yeah. So you click on finish. Yeah. So, so now you can see Scratch 3 on your PC. Then you take some time. You have to be patient. Yeah. Yeah. So now Scratch is loading. Yes, so you have to give it some time. But it's, we just downloaded it. Yes, so let's give it some more time. It will be done soon, I guess. Um, uh, um, Yeah. Yeah, I think it's almost done. It's almost done. If you want, if you can close the scratch and open it again. But it's work because it's taking too much time to load. So we click on it again. Then wait a few more minutes. Well, let's give it some few more minutes. It will open soon. So you select the first option. You click on close. Then Scratch is open for you. So you can go and explore. You can go and explore by if you are new using Scratch, you can click on the tutorials and Scratch. It is a video. It doesn't require data or internet, and you can follow to create games and animations you want. So basically, that is how to download Scratch on your phone. The first method is quite easier, but if you don't have Microsoft Store on your PC, the second method will be the best. Thank you.